welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, I've made some improvements to my channel. I've kept it at this angle that really features the nice bad lighting. So if you're new to my channel, thanks for coming, appreciate it. I appreciate you, I appreciate your views. So today's video, wow, that's a big piece of hummus on my shoulder. So the reason that you guys probably clicked on this video was not to see me flick hummus off of my shoulder, but it was probably more so to see this. You cannot tell me that this is the biggest size box for a t-shirt. Dior, have you heard Little Dicky's video, We Love the Earth? Consider a little bit of that reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's get a big thumbs up for the earth. Here's the box. Like, this is honestly, like, can we first talk about how nice of a box this is? To where it comes with, like, you know, usually you have to, like, go in with a knife and whatever, but, like, here, you can see it has, like, nice little serrated. That's gonna make a really great ASMR video for my new channel called Kyla's ASMR. Please don't follow that. Oh, guys, are you freaking kidding me? Wait. See, this is, okay, first of all, this shows how big this box is. There's an envelope right here, and then this is the bougiest little package. Are you kidding me? I don't even care what it looks like, I love it. I don't even care if it doesn't fit.
I love it.
Okay, does this come off? I don't wanna mess it up. Here's the note. It says, Illy Kyla. That's me. I wrote that for myself. I'm gonna put that literally in my closet, so whatever. Guys, I'm literally freaking pumped. So, here's the tea, sis. Ooh, that was a lot thinner than I was anticipating. So I think I'm gonna try to do the unboxing vertically. You know what? She's bringing something new to YouTube. You're welcome.
Thanks for subscribing.
So honestly, I don't want to mess up the ribboning. The ribboning? Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna like slide that off. Honestly, I might be like that chick that uses it like as a hair bow or something later on in my life. But for now, I want to save it. Honestly, I'm ecstatic right now. I'm very happy. I'm very excited. Like, this is my first true Dior purchase, like from Dior themselves. Like, I have Dior items, but I bought them pre-loved. Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna skimmy this little snippet off. Okay, bye-bye. I'm trying my best to open this at a 45-degree angle out here with my protractor. So, ooh. So here you can see we have the t-shirt. It's like wrapped up in this paper. I'm just gonna tear this little tag. Okay, I'm gonna open it like this. They give us one of these gel things. Thanks. And then like this. And here we go. And here's my t-shirt. Okay. So here she is. I got an extra large. I actually ordered this really big because I wanted to wear it more as like an oversized tee. Maybe with some bike shorts if I'm cool enough. Probably not. I'll probably just end up wearing it. I'll let you know. Okay. So here we have the t-shirt. I'm gonna put this tissue paper in it, and it says Dior. So I'll be re-gifting this. Okay. Oh, I think this is perfect. Okay. Ew, wow. Love the lighting. Okay. So it has like the little detailing right there for the front. It says Christian Dior Atelier. I kind of sort of think that that means like tailor, like that's what a tailor is for them. And then again, the same on the back side, but like a lot bigger. So yeah, this seems like it's gonna be like exactly what I wanted, like the perfect oversized tee. Okay, I'm gonna go put it on. Am I glad I paid this much for a t-shirt?
No.
So, okay, here's the good tea about it. Good tea is, throw it on with some mom jeans, cool, knot it, tuck it in, do your thing, do your jam. Okay. Not like the Mattis did it like this. This is cute. I'm gonna go put on the bike shorts that I do own. I say, perhaps I'll get back with you in a sec. Okay, I specifically got these bike shorts for this situation. Let me give you a little closer up. Is that normal? The situation, is this normal? Like, I don't know, I feel like they're too long. They look goofy. This outfit doesn't look normal. Like maybe if it were like that, I feel like that's a little bit more like, chill, I got pants on, what's the problem? But like, the straight like down to my mid-thigh, like I don't wanna accentuate that part of me. She ain't cute. We're not a fan, we're not sisters, we're not friends. I appreciate you guys living through this experience with me. If you enjoyed yourself, hopefully I didn't scare you or like make you hate me or something. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you want to see me do more. The heck do you even call this stuff? Leave me a comment down below. Would you guys ever buy a t-shirt for this much? Let me know. Did I make a mistake buying this shirt? Maybe don't answer that. I appreciate you guys watching it all the way to the end. I want to do a new thing where I start shouting out a commenter from the previous video. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert my favorite comment from the last video right here. Wow, thanks for the comment, love it, that's so cool. Make sure you leave a comment on this video so maybe if you're good enough, you get featured in the next one. I don't really have anything else for you guys, just besides subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.